Have you tried fixing your fatigue by following the advice to just sleep it off and it doesn't help at all? Do you want to know how you can understand and fix fatigue the right way? Please keep watching. The feeling of fatigue, its causes, intensity and symptoms can vary greatly from one person to another. Major causes are indeed the lack of sleep or poor sleep, as well as environmental factors such as cold or heat, noise or traffic, and a big one is stress from a variety of factors such as troubles at home, at work and in relationships. Even changes in seasons could lead to it. What we call spring fatigue or springtime lethargy can just be a normal reaction to the rising temperatures, or it can be caused by allergies or by a reverse seasonal affective disorder. Seasonal affective disorder is a type of depression that's related to changes in seasons and occurs most frequently in late autumn and winter. Physical aspects of fatigue include reduced stamina and a lack of energy and strength. Affective consequences include low spirit, mood changes, lack of motivation and vitality, and difficulties with concentration and memory. There are many other reasons for feeling tired, including a problem with blood sugar levels and adrenal exhaustion, as a result of continuous overconsumption of energy-boosting stimulants such as caffeine. Caffeine, alcohol and chocolate cause blood sugar levels to fluctuate a lot by triggering a quick peak in energy, which is then followed by a sharp dip in energy levels. Stimulants also lead to a burst of adrenaline being produced by the adrenal glands, which speeds up everything in the body but ultimately leads to exhaustion, as our bodies try to cope with the demands being made of it. Fatigue may also result from a dysfunction in the supply of oxygen to the muscles and the brain. The brain consumes approximately 3.5 milliliters oxygen per minute per 100 grams of brain tissue, which corresponds to 20% of the oxygen that the whole body needs. During anemia, the levels of the oxygen carrier called hemoglobin are lower, which is why oxygen delivery is impaired, resulting in fatigue and decreased cognitive and physical performance. Fatigue is often a first indicator of nutritional deficiency as well. The body needs vitamins and minerals, especially the B vitamins, vitamin C, iron and magnesium, to extract energy from food in a ready-to-use form. Because there is a close interconnection between these micronutrients on all levels of energy production, all of them should be available simultaneously, as the whole process may be slowed down by a lack in a single one of them. In addition to their role in energy production, these micronutrients fulfill other key functions related to fatigue and cognition. Besides energy, muscles and brain also need oxygen, delivered by the hemoglobin in the red blood cells. Hemoglobin is a protein found in the red blood cells that carries oxygen in your body and gives blood its red color. The delivery of oxygen to the organs requires an efficient production of red blood cells called erythrocytes, for which iron and also several B vitamins are critical. Inadequate intake of these micronutrients results in anemia with fatigue and weakness symptoms. Oxygen is mandatory, but oxidation can damage vital molecules in our cells, including our DNA and proteins, which are responsible for many body processes. Oxidation needs to be controlled by the antioxidative defenses of the organism, in which vitamin C plays an important role. The B and C vitamins, as well as iron, magnesium and zinc, also have a role in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, which are molecules used by the nervous system to transmit messages between neurons, or from neurons to muscles. In addition to this, these vitamins and minerals support our brain receptors and help develop and maintain the membranes of our neurons, benefiting our cognitive function. The first way to address these nutritional deficiencies is to introduce changes to your diet. Follow a detox and cleansing diet for 1 to 3 weeks, avoiding all foods and chemicals that may trigger any symptoms. Sugar, wheat, dairy, gluten-containing products such as rye or oats are some of the most common food allergens. Drink 2 or 3 freshly squeezed green vegetable juices and at least 8 glasses of water a day. This will help strengthen all elimination organs, including the liver, spleen, lymphatic system and kidneys. Avoid sugar and refined carbohydrates such as white flour. After the cleansing diet, start reintroducing the excluded foods gradually. Remember, write down any changes in your symptoms so that you can identify any potential irritants. Eat a whole food diet, whole grains, nuts, seeds, fresh seasonal fruits and vegetables, legumes and chia seeds. If possible, eat 2 to 4 portions of leafy green vegetables a day. They are high in magnesium and other nutrients important for overall health. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I hope you found it helpful. Please take care of your health, make good choices, stay safe, enjoy each moment, be kind to yourself, and love yourself. If you are getting value now, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell button to get notified when I post a new video. Check out my other videos and let me know down in the comments if you would like to hear more on this topic or any other topics, because I care about what's important to you.